Alright, where are we going? Just going down this trail?
Yeah, we're just going straight down. We're gonna have to take this fucking... this right.
Yeah. Nice little
What's
trail.
that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that?
Oh, wait a second!
Yeah. Oh, get off that. What is this?
It's a fucking glider, dude.
Bro, no way, bro. Hold on. Oh my god, dude.
Ain't no way.
Just...
What do we do?
Can I do this? You gotta do that and then pick it up.
Alright, let's go drop these off at...
Dude, will you glide though? I think you kinda do.
I think you will. I'm gonna test it out. Holy! Oh!
I was like, I'm dead.
No! Alright. Back to it?
Back to it.
Hey, wait a second. Who's this guy? You bring this guy?
I didn't bring that guy.
You didn't bring this guy? You don't know this guy?
I don't fucking know this guy. Shoot him! Shoot him while he's down. Shoot him in the head. Oh, good shit. I could get leaves just for fucking going through.
Yeah. I have
Oh,
so...
what's that? Whoa. Back up. Back up!
I'm backing up!
No, you're not!
What is it?
just, we gotta be... Oh, hold on, get off your bike. Gotta be sneaky.
That's right.
Oh,
Oh, God, dude, he is tough.
yeah, he is tough. You got bone armor. Stab him in the fucking head.
I'm dead.
Get up and go! Grab your bike! Grab your bike!
I'm running.
Grab it! Grab it! Grab it! He's coming!
I'm grabbing it.
Grab it! Let's go!
Go! Where are you going?
Oh, just turn around! Oh my god, I'm stuck! He's chasing you!
I'm fucking... Wait,
Taya, I'm driving like a complete idiot.
he's chasing me still?
Trying to get Virginia. Run! We all run! I don't know what's going on.
Aren't we just going back to that camp? We're going this way?
No.
We honestly probably could have just lived by the camp.
Nah, I'm fucked up. Hey, what's this up here? It's another camp. Just whip by the camp. How about we do that this time?
Huh.
Didn't fucking... I swear I've been trying that and it was not working because I was like, there's no way we just have a bunch of fucking... It's like fucking actual lumber work where you just have a bunch of cut off pieces that aren't worth jack shit. Okay, but that one is not correct. That one's just not it.
Oh,
Go back!
Wait, he might be destroying the fence.
Trying to break it.
Oh, what the fuck? Buddha.
What? Red baby! Don't let a red baby hit you! Hit the red baby!
Fucking Buddha, dude.
He's sending the red baby army! There you go, let's get to this fucking cave.
Alright, pal, we finished that structure.
Run up on us.
I'll fend off.
You need some new too if you want.
Alright. Now it's gonna be. There's
Come on,
one big.
scallywag.
There's one big guy across the Delaware. One coming up on us right now.
Flame him. Yeah, that's right. He's feeling the flame. That was more coming.
Now, go over here. Oh! Where are you?
God damn.
Oh, you're right there. Ah, shit!
Oh,
Let's go like this.
fucking. Eat it. That's right, bitch. Gotta get up. Got him.
He's dead. I fucking already need more meds. I think the spear was working better for me.
There's spear thing. There's water thing? No, not even this one.
Alright. You know there's like one or two over here somewhere?
Why do they have knife symbols? What does that mean? Oh god, what am I doing?
I don't know. What did you do?
I just ripped off some creepy armor.
Oh!
More creepy armor.
I can't have that option though.
Try it on this guy.
Oh yeah, right here.
You
I
gotta
can.
look. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so that's probably good armor.
Put some of that on. Wherever that may be. I'm warding off them evil spirits, don't worry.
That big ground. Okay, it's dripping.
Ew, like slimy. What is that?
Oh no. Oh! What the fuck is that?
Ooh, gooby gobby! What is the goobs?
I don't know.
Burn it! Make Molotovs!
Oh yeah, yeah,
We
yeah.
make Molotovs and burn that sucker. Quickly now, before he catches on. Make sure we gotta light him too. Okay.
Alright, alright, alright. So, where's the fucking Molotov go? One up here. Oh.
You fucker.
Yeet. Oh my god.
We're burning it. It's burning, it's hurting it.
We got C4.
Did it again. I'm warding you off with the power of Christ.
3, 2, 1. I'm fucking running.
Woo!
He did.
Yeah.
Wait, I have another one. How do I have two?
Infinite C4 glitch.
Just make a time bomb.
I don't know, don't question it.
I'm gonna keep it out just in case.
Oh, because there's some right here. Literally right next to this guy.
Oh, I must have picked those up. I did pick those up.
What a bunch of goofs we are.
I picked it up. I didn't even look at what I picked up. Okay. Oh, that's a bunch of... What the fuck? Did it make that noise when you went through the door?
That's noise or whatever.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit. Come on. Gord, my workers are having a lot of trouble getting anywhere inside these caves
okay.
in complete
Whoa,
darkness.
whoa.
We need more light. Light it up like a Christmas tree, he says. That's what I'm saying.
Fighting each other.
Give me my- I'm having. Oh. Jesus.
Okay, so we grabbed their armor, obviously.
Whoa! Whoa!
What?
Get out of there!
Oh! Oh!
I don't know what that is,
that what
but
we
I am
light up?
fucking.
That's what we light up.
Oh!
Damn, it just fucking hit the shit out of me.
Gotta go. Gotta go, Scoop.
Okay, so we go back with the Molly, maybe a C4.
Yep, give me a Molly right now.
Let me just wear some of that armor that we just picked up. Oh, David's right there!
Oh! I'm gonna light it. I'm gonna light it.
Oh, I'm fucking dead. I tried to get you.
Bitch! Oh, I missed! I burnt Frank! Get up! You're nothing! You're nothing! You're nothing but a bitch!
Oh,
You just
my
swing
God.
You got a big head! Oh, you just spit up! We got him.
Thank God.
Throw it. Throw it. Back
Hi,
away.
bitch.
Woo!
They're not dead.
Almost though. Grab him. If it bleeds, it can die.
Huh.
She ain't nothing.
Good shit. Come back. Oh, he's coming. Oh, shit.
Whoa, they're coming. Oh, you got my fucking spear. Another big hoss. Another big hoss.
They're hitting each other.
You might not be feeling it, but your armor's probably eating.
Yeah. I'm walking towards the light, Dave.
Let's go.
Oh, there's a bitch at the light.
Oh, big bitch. Come on. Let's go, big bitch.
What the fuck is that? That ain't a light. Oh!
He just went on his knees. What the hell?
He tried swinging.
Get a break. You guys stink.
Okay.
Nothing.
The fuck, guys? Use shotgun.
Oh. What tie? Is that what I
Holy
think
shit.
it is?
Well, we can go to the other cave
Oh, it's a
now.
harpoon gun.
Oh.
I thought, well, not a harpoon, but yeah, like a
What's in
grapple
here?
thing.
Rifle ammo?
Ammo? I thought it was a fucking flamethrower at first. I was like, what the hell?
Now, what does this go to? Oh, wait. Oh, we can go on the fucking thing now.
Oh. Let's send it.
Yeah?
See you on the other side. Yeah, dude, this is it.
Oh,
This is where the other cave.
yeah. So we've already seen everything that there is. Oh, there's twins, though. There's them fucking Siamese twins.
Get out of here. We know what's the rest. Ain't nothing in this part.
And we say, damn.
Looking good.
Yep. We could build like a little, dude, we should build like a little thing, like a little structure on that waterfall. That'd be kind of cool, like a little, you know, a little thing.
Oh yeah, we could do something.
Yeah. Have to figure out what we could use over there.
I was gonna give us like a front porch too and stuff like on the house.
Yeah, yeah.
Make it like look nice. Make it look
make it
like
nice
a
and
log
homey.
cabin. Yeah.
Mhm.
The truth.